So I always talk about liquidity sweep, and so many people write to me and say that how do you even know where there is liquidity and when the liquidity has been swept or targeted? So in this video, I just want to show you exactly that so that you don't find it difficult to identify liquidity and also to identify liquidity sweep. You know, the importance of this is that once you understand liquidity and liquidity sweep, you can always know when to take a position. So I think I will need to begin with what liquidity is all about, and then what liquidity sweep is all about, then the importance and how it will help in your trading. So let's begin with what a liquidity is. So a liquidity is simply market orders at a certain price level. Now, why is it important? It is important because the market makers, the hedge funds, the institutional traders, the multinational banks, the central banks, and these big players in the market, they are not trading in hundreds of thousands of dollars. They are trading in millions and even billions of dollars. So they need a large pool of orders for them to fulfill their trades. They always target where there is a large pool of orders. And where do you think that we always have large pool of orders? It is always where retail traders are always trying to place their stop loss. And how do you get that? Retail traders will always want to place their stop loss above highs and below lows. Most of them will be thinking that this high is protected, so they will be placing all their stop losses here. That will increase the number of buy orders here, okay? Because a stop loss in a sell position is an automatic buy order. So that means as retail traders are selling right here, putting their stop losses here, that stop loss is a buy order here, okay? So you're having buy orders just above this high. Now, some other people will be expecting that when the price breaks this point, that price will start moving up. So they'll be putting buy stop orders here. So you have buy orders in form of stop loss to sell positions. So you have them here, and you also have buy stop here. So they combine to make a large pool of buy orders right at this point. And those buy orders are what institutional sellers need to fulfill their orders. So they come to this point where there are lots of buy orders to sell what they have. They moved the price into this point. They were looking for buy side liquidity. So above it is what we call buy side liquidity. When the market moves above it and did not last above it and returns back either immediately or after few candles, that liquidity has been swept. The market makers are filled in their orders and they drop the price down below. Once you see the price drop down below that level, that means that there is already a liquidity sweep, or that liquidity has been targeted. In this case, the buy side liquidity has been swept. So as the market returns back below that level, there you can take a short position and put your stop loss above that liquidity sweep. Then target the next liquidity, which in this case, the next liquidity was below this low. If you want to understand more about this concept, I would like you to get my book on understanding market liquidity and fake outs. I hope this helps. If it does, kindly hit that subscribe button, turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out in my next video.